I'll show you how to create a ticket or cash somebody out. So if you just want to sell, let's say, a product, you go to checkout and you can either scan the product SKU, search for the product name, or you can select it from your favorites, or you can go to the product tab. There's multiple ways to add items to the ticket. So I can click here and just select daily shampoo and add that to the ticket. It will automatically configure the tax. Or I could come down here and I could type in a name or a partial name, and I can click this drop down and select a specific one. Click select. I select the worker who receives credit for selling it and click add to ticket. And then I just go to payments and select the method of payment. There's other areas where you can, sell a gift certificate. You can also bring up a miscellaneous charge. Like let's say they needed $1 for the meter and they didn't have any cash. You can go ahead and add $1 of miscellaneous. You can also include tickets. This will pull up a list of all the other open tickets. You can also apply a promotion here. So if you need to apply a promotion that's created in setup marketing, you can apply a promotion to the ticket. And you can also add tips here, or you can add tips from the completed ticket and also select a rating. And then of course, when you get to the payments area, just select the method of payment. If let's say their total was $54.50 and they give you $60, you can update the amount. It'll show you the change back here so you know how much to give back, and then go ahead and click apply payment, and this will be your completed ticket screen. That's traditionally if somebody walks into your business. Another way to bring somebody up is from the appointment book. If somebody has an appointment, you just click on their appointment, click check in, and then when they're ready to check out, you'll click the checkout button, and that will automatically add those services to the ticket. From here, you could make additions just like I showed you in the previous part of the video. And then of course, always select a payment. If you ever do have a ticket that is $0, you do need to close that and you'll select this no sale option. Just worth mentioning, but we'll go ahead and click complete. And now your ticket is completed. From here, you can print a receipt or email a receipt, and you can also make changes as needed, or of course, do a refund. Thank you for watching.